So hi guys, it's me again. Sorry that the last one got freaked, but that one didn't work out well because it didn't. She unplugged it before I get to publish it. So hi you guys, and look what's my brain piece of sleep. He's literally snoring. You can hear him. Okay guys, bye.